With Cielo Ranch Reserve, the mission is really to restore forests, create habitat for wildlife, for our guests. We want them to be a part of that, and they are a part of it when they come here. We're just not taking from the land, we're producing. And by planting yucca, bananas, all the fruit trees, we're providing fruit for our guests, for ourselves, for our workers. Our teak is designed to produce sustainable furniture. Our cattle is managed in a way that they regenerate the soil. We're making cheese, we're making milk. Our gardens are producing food, vegetables. We're taking it forward with the investments in solar, composting, and water collection to use for some of our fruit orchards. This project is just constantly evolving, so people can expect to find peace, because there's no other, you're not going to see other people on the trails. Our trails are private, so people can really go at their own pace. If you walk slow on those trails and don't make a lot of noise and just take your time, you will see things. There's still parts of this farm that I've never seen before. I'm still exploring new little pockets. Hopefully when people walk away from here, they can leave here feeling maybe a little bit lighter, a little bit more grounded, a little bit more connected with nature, maybe ready to just go back into the real world and conquer that next challenge.